guys, we are in Niagara Falls, and today is family day, and tomorrow's family day, and I'm obviously here with the family right here. We got them all. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the falls. We're gonna walk around. We're gonna do whatever we want, and it's gonna be family and only family stuff. So let's go. This area is closed. What is going on here?
Snow and ice control.
What? What is going on here? I didn't come here to the falls to get closed off here. I don't know. We'll figure out what we're gonna do. There's a big Christmas tree right there. You can see the lights still on it. That would light up this whole area. And I don't know why they have it all closed off. There's no snow here. Obviously, there's a bit right here, but I don't know. They have it all locked down. Look at this. They make sure no one goes over. I can climb this fence, no problem. But there's always ways to get around to see the falls and stuff. So we're gonna check it out and see what we can do. We have so much stuff to do. We're gonna figure it out. Alright guys, we're going over to the Pepper Palace. We're gonna see if they have Satan's Toe and that sucker lollipop, and I'm gonna try to do that challenge. So let's go see if they got it. They normally have it right here. So what I found is very interesting here. We gotta look at this. We have cheddar cheese worms. Well, these are crickets, sour cream and onion crickets, and then barbecue worms. Oh my god, bacon and cheese. See guys, this is where I get my my seeds for when I grow them and I make all my challenges. I get them from the Pepper Palace. Oh, what's this? Pause. What is this? Smoked habaneros. What? I can give these to people in challenges. What? This is something weird like these. I want to try one of these. Oh man, this is like, guys, I'm gonna buy those worms. I'm gonna eat the worms. I don't know if I'll do the crickets, but I'm gonna try the worms. So girls, do you guys want to try some of these worms?
No. I probably barf the minute I see them.
You don't want to try the worms?
No.
You want to try one?
No.
Yes, you do. Do you want to try one right now?
Where's the sink?
You want to try one?
No.
You want to try
Show
one?
me the bathroom. I'm going to barf.
Alright guys, they're leaving it up to me to eat the worms. I'm buying the worms and I'm going to eat them in this video. So let's pay for them. Wait, hold on a second. Are you going to try the worms?
No way.
All women have, and none of them want to try it. They're making me look like bad if I don't do it, so I gotta do it now. So let's pay for it and let's do it. Here, try some. Alright. I will save that for the hotel, and I'll try them in my room tonight. Oh, what is this? I got some cover here. Oh, look, there's a camera right there. What's going on? Oh. Trying to keep us out. Trying to keep us out. Oh, what's this? Some renovations. Probably get in trouble for being back here. Ooh. Gotta push this one, huh? Gotta push. Push. Yes! We made it! We're outside. Oh, look. Look at the damage it's done to that building. Wow. Oh no! This would have been the arcade room. Oh my god! They locked it off. No arcade, Samantha. I'm gonna play. Let's see if my key will work. Let's see. Okay, there's bed furniture. I guess there's no arcade in here anymore. So there you go. There's no arcade in the hotel anymore. That's kind of weird. I was kind of hoping to play little games with the kids, but ooh, look at this, guys! Oh my god! IHOP. Those are chocolate crepes. Oh wait, no, are they crepes? I don't know. You see the chocolate, the banana? That's just good enough. Oh my god, I'm gonna hit that at maybe 3 in the morning. Before we do anything else, I need to get a coffee because I'm dying cold. So we're gonna go as a family. We're gonna get a coffee.
Hi, Mister. I'm
Look at this. They changed it in here. Oh, there's the arcade right there. Oh.
This is where you get a candy.
You want candy, Samantha?
Yes, you get a candy.
Oh, who remembers this hockey game growing up? This is old school, and they still have this. This is awesome that they still have them. What is it, Super Checks? I thought these were called icebreakers or something. And if I'm not mistaken, they used to be like from the 90s called icebreakers, but don't quote me on that. If you guys remember what they used to be called then, comment down below, because I don't think they were called Super Checks back then. That's a new name for these, but it's still like an old school machine. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? Air hockey. Guys, I'm gonna let you know right now, the champ is here. If you guys, any of you guys see me anywhere and there's an air hockey table, you guys can come and challenge me and try to take the title. So I am the king at that stuff. Man. Oh my god. I love this game. Arcade Party. You always go to the arcades and the little stick shifty thing is always broken on Pac-Man. I'm actually going to try this game out tonight. Let's see. It seems pretty, like you hear the click clicks. So it looks like this could be brand new kind of thing. I'm definitely going to try this out tonight. And hopefully the little sticky doesn't mess up. Because I hate when you go to an arcade and the sticks are broken and it's not taken care of, but Tekken 5. I was never a big fan of this, but it's kind of like a Street Fighter, Killer Instinct type game. Mortal Kombat, Street Fighter, yada yada yada. But it's it's kind of on a different level too. Let's see what they got. Guys, they have iced coffee here. I'm gonna test it out. Look at a nice coffee.
Same size?
What are the sizes again, sir?
So the small, medium.
I'll do a small for now. There she be. I just gotta shake it up a little bit, guys. I normally don't get it like this. It doesn't look like the McDonald's or Timmy's, but I can't complain. It's not bad actually. It's refreshing. This is the room for family day. And no, that is not mine. As much as you guys are probably gonna comment say that's yours. That is Samantha's bear. This is Bear Bear. Hi Bear Bear. Hi guys. Hi guys. Alright guys, now I'm finally sitting down. I'm gonna do the worms right now! Just for you guys. Ready? Now I'm just, oh! Kind of drop. Not many worms in here. I don't know how many I'm gonna eat though. I don't know if I want to eat all. I'm gonna try maybe like 1 or 2, and we'll see how they taste, right? Does anyone else want to try a worm?
No!
Oh, Julia wants to try a worm. Barbecue worms. Look, I got 2 worms. 2 worms. Focus! 2 worms. 2 worms! Oh my god.
You have a visit.
Well,
It's behind
cheers.
everything you do. Even when you least expect it, it comes through. You know what you want, and we can help make it real. You need choices? We've got all kinds, including special finishes and papers, and they're all absolutely guaranteed. Because you have a vision, and we have your card. Standard business cards start at $9.99. We enter promo code TV deal at
It's not bad actually. I was thinking they're gonna be worse, but they're actually pretty good. Anyone wanna try?
No! I want to.
They're actually kind of like, it's just a shell, guys. There's nothing inside of it.
Hi, guys.
You wanna try a worm?
No!
You wanna try a worm?
Wait.
Yeah.
Let me get some water. Just in case.
Sorry, do you wanna try a worm?
I think we go.
You wanna try a worm?
They're real.
Try it.
They're real. They're real. They're real.
You don't. There's nothing to them. You look at the camera and do it.
Hi.
Yeah, they're actually not bad.
Okay. It's an old carnival ride.
See, there's nothing to them. They're empty.
Move a lot of stuff.
Yeah, see?
It's like a 30
I thought the worm, you're gonna eat all the inside, the gut, but it's like hollow. It's a shell with barbecue. That's all it is.
I never
It's
want
actually not bad, but it's not like eating a worm like from the floor. Hey, get out of here right now.
Grandma.
So, not bad. What did you think?
I think it was
There's nothing really to it. It's a hollow shell. All right, guys. We just did the worm. Now we're gonna go downstairs so these kids can go to the arcade. Oh.
So, like I said, 1 for 1 token, 2 for 2 tokens.
Really? Really, huh? This is the hockey action you guys want to see and watch.
Oh, wow.
Score!
I actually shot it in my own net!
Sophia. Julia won. You're the reigning champ right now in this game, huh? With Family Day? I want a shot at the champion, Julia. I want a shot at you.
I'll pay. Bye!
3 tokens! Oh my god. For this.
Wow!
over.
Oh, it's over?
Who won?
What?
Daddy
That was
wants.
already it? Julia, I didn't want to do this, but the champ is here. If you want a rematch, you can have it. Tomorrow morning when you wake up. I end the day off as a champ, but because you were a worthy champion, you gave me the first title shot and I won. I'm gonna give you one tomorrow.
Okay.
Alright? Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye guys. Let's go, Sophia.
Let's go.
So me and Sophia, we ordered some pizza. We waited our time limit. It's time. We're going to get some pizza from Papa
Joe's.
John's.
John's.
Nice. Got the pizza. You excited, Sophia?
Yeah.
I can't really hold the camera and the pizza, so Sophia, you're hired as my not too shabby.
Yeah.
Not too shabby, Sophia.
Learn from the best.
When you find out who the best is, you let me know.
Oh gosh.
Canada. This is good.
Oh, let's see. Got some nice pepperoni and cheese from Papa John's. And we got some pepperoni chicken, green peppers. We good. This is how you spend family day with your family. So if you're with your family, be in a good mood. Stay positive. Let's eat, go watch some UFC. Super Sage fighting. I don't know who that guy is. Alright guys, so my predictions, to end this vlog off, Super Sage Northcutt is going to win. Donald Cerrone, Thiago Alves, and I think Derek Lewis. Don't quote me on it, I could be wrong, but those are who I want to win and who I think who should win. But we're going to find out. Either way, like, subscribe, comment, keep it real, stay positive. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.